Introducing XYC 206 Extreme Conditions Perfluoropolyether Lubricating Oil. In industries where machinery faces intense heat and demanding environments, lubrication isn't just routine maintenance, it's essential. XYC 206 excels as a specialized lubricant, outperforming standard options. Perfluoropolyether (PFPE) oils, such as XYC 206, are synthetic lubricants renowned for their stability and inertness. Unlike traditional lubricants, PFPEs consist solely of carbon, oxygen, and fluorine, giving them resistance to high temperatures, chemicals, and oxidation. XYC 206 is designed for high-temperature industrial use. Its wide operating range, from -70°C to 360°C, ensures consistent performance, protecting machinery in aerospace or chemical processing. This oil boasts non-flammability, chemical inertness, and thermal stability. We carefully formulated it to maintain consistent viscosity. Its reliability makes the XYC 206 invaluable across various sectors, including aerospace, chemical processing, manufacturing, and petroleum exploration. If standard lubricants fail, XYC 206 oil offers a solution. Its properties and applications make it a top choice for reliable lubrication in extreme conditions, giving you peace of mind.